morning, everyone. I am here standing in front of you to talk about something that is very familiar to you. In this ever-changing educational world, the role of teachers have rapidly evolved, adapting the endless possibilities of the 21st century. Being a teacher in this 21st century fosters excitement, yet a very challenging role. Teaching in a diverse classroom could be a difficult work, but don't worry, my friend. The 21st century literacies can help you with that. So I will give you some ideas about it. Imagine teaching in a diverse classroom where the students have different personalities, ideas, and feelings. Teaching the relationship between language and the power it can hold can become a challenging task. But with the help of critical literacy, that could become an easy. So, teaching and showing the appropriate way on how to evaluate and analyze the meaning of text can fosters and relating it into topic of equity, power, and social justice can be a good start on becoming a critical literate person. Next is being a teacher requires a lot of confidence, self-esteem, and communication skills. Teaching does not all about mastering all ideas in the book, but also having the courage and talent to teach. Knowing how to communicate, properly and knowing how to communicate properly could help both teacher and the learners. On the top of that, communication skills can help develop relationship between parents and communities. And social literacy can help you with that. Managing resources can be a challenge to a teacher. Not only about resources, but also financially related things. Knowing how to manage financially and showing how important it is, can become a role model for financial literate students. We all know that our world is fully digital. Everyone has an access in our digital world. Almost everything that happens in our world is on the internet. We all know that not everything in the internet is real. And as a teacher, we must not only teach how to use digital, but also how to manage it. we should always show how to manage our digital resource and teach them to our students. While the technology keeps on booming, it gives way into new art forms. A teacher should possess a deep understanding and knowledge about the artistic literacy. A teacher should know how to criticize and appreciate the art in the same time. After understanding and adapting every development in our environment, we should care to our nature too. Leading the students on how to care and love our nature could become a very good start of a eco-literate society. Mastering all the 21st century literacies could help us into facing the challenge of changing roles of teachers in the 21st century. Remember that children learn on who you are more than what you teach. Thank you.